You have already learned sexual reproduction in angiosperm. Let's see the spatial modes of reproduction in angiosperm. It may be apomixis. Apomixis is a condition where new plants are formed without fertilization. That is, formation of new plants without fertilization. It may be vegetative propagation or agamospermy. Vegetative propagation or vegetative reproduction is the reproduction other than its sexual part, that is, other than flower, fruit, or seed. That is, reproduction or propagation from the vegetative parts, that is, from root, stem, and leaf. Agamospermy may be parthenogenesis or adventative embryony. Let's come to parthenogenesis. Parthenogenesis, as the name indicates, parthenos means virgin, genesis means origin. That is, development of an organism without fertilization. It may be diplospory or apospory. Diplospory is a type of parthenogenesis where megaspore mother cell do not undergo meiosis. That is, megaspore mother cell having diploid number of chromosome behave as functional megaspore. Next, it may be apospory, where development of diploid embryo sac from normal embryo cell. That is, the diploid embryo sac develops from a normal cell. The adventative embryony, where the embryo develops from any tissue directly but not from the embryo. Sporophytic tissue forms a bird-like structure that directly starts behaving as an embryo. Now I come to polyembryony. Polyembryony, as the name indicates, more than one embryo are formed. Presence of more than one cell in the embryo sac. Synergids or antipodal cells may start acting as a egg cell. Normal zygote divides into many fragments and each fragment behave as a zygote, and presence of more than one embryo sac in the ovule. Next I come to tissue culture. In tissue culture, a small meristematic tissue, that is growing tissue, is taken in an aseptic condition. It is taken in a nutritive medium in aseptic condition. Now the cells go on dividing, forming an undifferentiated mass of cells, the callus. Now from this callus, small plantlets are formed. Now these plantlets, when grown, gives rise to new plant. Plantlet, when grown, will give rise to a new plant. So these are the various modes of reproduction other than sexual reproduction.